This is Monday, July 2nd. Okay, so we took the forms off of the concrete post base piers, cleaned everything up, filled it, packed it, put on our first layer of Tyvek, and we put up the ledger board. We've got a bunch of hangers here, and then we talked to the inspector, and the inspector is okay with this product called Ledger Lock. And so it's a quick and easy way to bolt the ledger to the house. They're galvanized and powder coated, so they're very well protected, and they replace a 1/2-inch screw or 1/2-inch lag bolt for attaching ledgers to houses. So that's good. So it's got all the hangers are nailed in place, ready to go, and we are just waiting for the ABU 46Z post bases to come in. And then we have to put a ledger here. So it's coming along. Okay, so that is the Monday update.